Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Cupid Pusheen holding a love letter. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top of the head with a line across here. Then a curve up and back down on both sides for the ears. Now for the left side, let's continue it down, curving it slightly out and back in like this. And then from the right, let's curve it out and then back down at the end. The right side should be a little bit lower than the left side. Now let's hop over underneath the left and let's draw a curve up and in for the foot. And now a line across the bottom to close it off. And one more curve above it in the middle for the other foot. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move back up to the top and draw the face. Let's start at the top and let's draw a line down and curve it back up. And now let's do the same thing on the right and on the left. Next, let's hop underneath and draw the mouth with a curve down to the left and to the right. And now on the sides, let's add the eyes. Let's draw an angle up here and one on the left. Next, let's add some angled lines underneath each eye for some blush lines. I'm going to draw these black now and change them pink later. Next, let's add the whiskers. On the left side of the head, let's draw two curves out. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's move down and draw the hands holding the love letter. We'll start with a curve on the left, and the same thing on the right, leaving a space in between. Now let's draw the letter behind. On top of the hands, let's draw two angles up. And the same thing underneath. Now let's connect them at the tops and the bottoms. Now inside, in the center, let's draw a heart. Now from the sides, let's angle it up to the top corners, like this. And that's it for the love letter. Let's hop over on the right side and draw two curves on the back. Next, on the right side, let's add the wings. Let's start with a curve up and back down like this. Then from the bottom, let's curve it back up, forming a U shape. Now on the left, let's draw another curve, and then one more from the body. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, let's move down and add the tail. From the bottom of the body on the right, let's draw a line out. Then let's curve it back up and in. And lastly, inside, let's add 4 curves for the stripes. And that's it for this Cupid Pusheen holding a love letter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!